How executives use silence to sound powerful, calm, and in control. Speak with impact. The 10-second pause technique. The secret. No one teaches. Most professionals believe that speaking well means babbling, filling every silence, and demonstrating their knowledge. Executives don't do that. Executives speak slowly, they hold eye contact, and they use something most people are afraid of, the 10-second executive pause. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use this pause to sound more confident, more thoughtful, and more powerful in any meeting. Section 1. Why silence equals power. Silence makes people lean in. It signals that you are thinking, not reacting. It creates the feeling of executive authority. Here's why the technique works. 1. Silence slows the room down. When you pause before speaking, you reset the energy. People stop talking. People listen. People expect something valuable. 2. Silence gives you time to choose strong words. Most mistakes come from speaking too quickly. I think maybe we should. I'm not sure, but a pause eliminates these weak openers. 3. Silence shows emotional self-control. Executives rarely rush. They speak with intention. A tiny pause makes you sound calm, even when you feel nervous inside. Section 2. The 10-second pause. How it works. Here is the technique. Step 1. Inhale. 2 seconds. Breathe in through your nose. This stabilizes your voice and reduces shaky speaking. Step 2. Look around the room. 1 to 2 seconds. Not fast, slow, confident eye movement. This shows presence. Step 3. Pause before speaking. 4 to 6 seconds. This is the part that feels long to you but feels powerful to everyone else. Step 4. Begin with a strong, clean statement. No noise words. Examples. Here's what matters most. Let me simplify this. There are 2 key points. Total time, 8-10 seconds. It feels uncomfortable the first time, but it transforms your communication immediately. Section 3. Examples. Real executive situations. Example 1. When you disagree, everyone is talking fast. Someone suggests a bad idea. People look at you for your opinion. You apply the pause. You look around the room. You breathe. You wait 5 seconds. Then you say, "Here's the concern I see." Suddenly, everyone stops and listens. Your pause signals leadership. Example 2. When you need to sound confident, you're presenting. Your voice is shaky. Pause, breathe, then say, "Let me share the key insight." You sound prepared and collected. Example 3. When you're asked a difficult question, instead of rushing to answer, pause, think, then say, "Here's how I'm thinking about it." This is the executive response. Clear, calm, controlled. Section 4. Language templates. Use these in meetings. Use these phrases after your 10-second pause for starting your ideas. Here's the main point. Let's focus on what matters most. There are 2 things to consider. For disagreeing respectfully. I see it differently. Here's another perspective. My concern is this. For clarifying confusion. Let me simplify it. Here's the bottom line. Here's what we can do next. For answering tough questions. Here's how I'm approaching it. Let's break it down. Here's what I would recommend. These are clean, confident, executive-level openers. Section 5. Practice routine. Do this daily. 1. Record yourself explaining an idea. Speak normally. 2. Now record it again. But add a 5-8 second pause before each major point. Compare the difference. You will sound clearer, calmer, more structured, more confident. 3. Use the pause once in your next meeting, just once. You will notice that the entire room responds differently. Final message. Speaking with impact is not about talking more. It's about controlling the room. And nothing controls a room like executive silence. Use the 10-second pause technique to sound confident, thoughtful, authoritative, and in complete control. This is how executives speak. And now, you can too. Thanks for watching. The Executive English Coach.